EDX 3000 Plus XRF Metal Analyzer. It is equipped with fast S detector, the best detector in the world. Open the lid, you will see a huge sample testing chamber. This is enough for you to place any large sample. This is a sample holder provided for holding jewelry such as rings and earrings. The testing platform can be adjusted through software. This is an Ethernet connection that allows the detector to receive signals very quickly. Also equipped with a cooling fan, the machine can operate continuously for 24 hours without overheating. Next is the operation demonstration. Click on Start and enter the sample name. Then you can freely choose the repeated testing time. Our machine's testing time only takes 30 seconds. If the settings are complete, click Confirm to start testing. If the same sample name has been entered before, this pop-up window will appear. Start testing. This is the hook protection key. The test results will display the content of each element. You can also check the spectrum here. Here you can see the real-time CPS, working current, voltage and other parameters of the machine. Here you can see the status of each element. This is the menu interface. You can make settings in the settings interface. Our engineers have already set up all the parameters before shipment, so you don't need to make any changes. Welcome to Inquiry App.